Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video we're gonna talk about how to use Facebook Marketplace. So let's get started. Well, first, after getting the application, move to the store by tap on the hamburger icon up here and choose Marketplace. You can search for any product from the search icon. And from here, you can define the search area. You can also define your location automatically from this arrow. And select the search area, whether from the app or only from the search bar, by search on it. You can also expand or narrow. Once you're done, tap on Apply. In addition, you can filter the research results by tap on Filters. Then sort by. A list of options will appear. Now you can choose whatever you want, whether you want to show the product according to the nearest first, the newest first, or according to the price, whether the lowest or the highest. Once you're done, tap on See Items. And when you tap on Categories icon, you can see the product of one category. And if you only want to show products from your area, tap on Local Listings. If you like one of these products, simply tap on it. And there's two ways to contact the seller. The first one by using Messenger for more information about the products, or if you're ready to buy the products, choose Send Offer. And choose how much you want to pay for these products. You can offer a different amount from this option. And I just want to mention that some prices, if not all, may not represent the actual price of the product. Some seller may set the price for free or make it expensive just to attract the attention of the visitors and push them to press on the product. You can also activate the alert to show similar products, see the product, or share it. You can also see the comments profile for more information. And for more details about the product, just swipe down. Also, I just want to mention that Facebook is not a payment platform, so make sure to whom you send the payment information to, and it is recommended not to send it to anyone. And to make a seller list, simply tap on Sell. This will pop up, so choose Item. So tap on Add Photos to upload pictures to your products, and you can only upload 10 pictures. Once you're done, tap on Next. Now enter the information. You can hide it from your friends by tap on this option. And once you're done, tap on Publish. And this is it. This is how to use Facebook Marketplace. Thanks for watching. See ya!